Hi everyone, it's the older sister of the JAG family. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some drawings that I have drawn. But before the video starts, make sure you hit the subscribe button to get notified of whenever we have new videos. Also, make sure to press the like button to help us know how you think about this video. Make sure to comment too, because we love seeing your comments and your feedback on our videos. It just makes us so happy. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of my drawings. These three paintings are mainly landscape drawings. The first two are actually two paintings that I painted around a year and a half ago, I think. And the third painting is one that's more recent, but I still painted it around like a month or 2 or 3 ago, so yeah. I really like painting landscapes because I just like painting nature, and it comes pretty, I don't want to say easy, but it comes pretty natural to me, and just like painting and rendering like the nature is just so much fun. I like rendering objects in general, making it look really nice and look really realistic. I'm not the type that like prefers drawing cartoonish type of style, but that's just my own style. Everyone prefers their own style, and that's completely fine. So this is my first drawing, and in the beginning it looks kind of very ugly, like the colors are all wrong and I'm just struggling to do it right, and then it gradually gets better. You'll just see. It's like an aurora, and it's a vertical landscape, and at this time, like of this point in like when I was an artist, drawing wasn't very easy for me yet. Well, it still isn't. Drawing is never gonna be super easy, but I was still like learning the ropes around Procreate, and I didn't really know what I was doing at the time, but I think it turned out not too bad. Like, I'm not too ashamed of it, so I found a lot of cool brushes when I was painting that painting, so I guess that's something that really came out. So this second painting is a lot quicker and a lot simpler. I think I could have done a lot better with the ocean because it doesn't look as good, but yeah, you can see that it takes a lot less time for this painting. I just kind of like put some colors on and then fill in, and then just put the ocean because there's an ocean texture brush. So yeah, this third painting is one that I did more recently. This one I actually followed a vlog tutorial, kind of like a tutorial, not really, but just like a couple of pictures. I just kind of followed it as like a reference, and this one I think I did a lot. I'm pretty proud of the clouds that I drew, and I think it turned out pretty well, I guess. In this painting process, I also managed to find a lot of mountain brushes that I found were really cool, so that's also something that comes out. Every single painting that you finish, I think you can always like find something out of it, and you always like learn something new in your painting, so I think that's really cool. I did the black and white of it first, which I know a lot of artists like prefer putting the black and white and then coloring it after, like putting the values down, but I prefer just putting the colors on, like putting the black and white on, like the value scales on first. It just wasn't very a comfortable painting like process for me, so I think that's something that I found that was kind of interesting. Anyways, those are the three paintings that I have for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for practically daily videos, and yeah, make sure to comment and share with your friends. Bye!